Now pointer to an array. So we can have a pointer to an integer, float, character. Can we have a pointer to array also? Yes, we can have. How to deal with it? This is a simple array S52. Now we have made a pointer to array because we know that the column needs to be given. So these are 2 columns. These are 4 rows, but we have given the column number. Now this we have taken star pint just in order to take the value here. From 0 to 3, the address, this is Si, this is S0, this is S1, right? So address of Si will, S0 will be what? This. Address of Si will be what? This. So address of Si, depending upon 0, 1, 2, 3, we have provided it to P, and P is the pointer to an array. Now this pointer is assigned to PINT, both are same, it is just taking the address of the value. Now from 0 to 1, that is these columns, we are printing the pointer to the array with J. This is pointing, this is, array is now pointing here. Now we are adding J, that is 0 and 1. So we are going to this value because this is value at this address. First value this one, second they value this one. When this 0 becomes this, 0 becomes 1, we come to this array, again 0, 1. We go to 0, 1, and now this is pointing to second row, so it will show J1, J 0 and 1, so it will show this value because this is value at this address. So I hope you got the idea. First we go to the first 1D array, and then we go to the proper values.